pancake tacos. I'm going to have a few strips of bacon going. A little piece there. I also need to, got a pound of this hot sausage that I need to cook up. I'm not going to use it all, but we'll get it cooked up as well. Alright, so the bacon is done to my liking, so I'm going to take that off. And I'm going to let the sausage go a little bit longer, just to make sure that it is done all the way through. Looks like it's ready, but a couple more minutes. Alright, sausage looks like it's done. I'm going to move it over to the side and let it just stay warm and keep, it'll keep cooking a little bit, just in case. Alright, I'm going to scramble up. I've got 3 eggs. I've already got a little bit of salt and pepper in there. I'm going to scramble them up. You can add the salt and pepper whenever you like. I just wanted to put it in advance. Alright, these eggs are done to my liking. I don't like it too dried out. Alright, let's get our cakes on here. Let's get some of this sausage and bacon grease over here. Add some butter. I did turn my griddle up. I did turn it down for the eggs. I got to turn it up for the pancakes. I want these to be thin because we're going to have to fold them, so hopefully this will turn out okay. They need to cook a little bit faster. Okay, I'll let those go and I'll flip them in a minute. Okay. Yeah, they kind of look good enough to flip. Let's check. That one looks good. It's alright. Good enough. There we go. Supposed to be done here in a second. We'll take them off and we'll get our tacos built. Pancake tacos. Okay, so I don't think I got my pancakes quite thin enough, so maybe you can make them ahead of time. And I'm going to throw this in the microwave for like 10 seconds, and so we can fold it like a taco. Hold on. All right, so, you know, I mean, I hate cheating with a microwave, but, you know, microwaves make bread and stuff not quite the same. So I've loosened up the pancake. Maybe that's a little much. I'm going to put bacon, sausage, egg, sausage, and bacon inside of here. Okay, and I like to use this green dragon sauce, hot sauce from Trader Joe's. So if you have a Trader Joe's near you, give this a try. It is a jalapeno hot sauce. It's not super hot, but it's got great flavor. And I know, it sounds weird on a pancake, but on a breakfast taco, it's a taco, right? So douse it on there. You can put regular syrup on there if you want. Let's see if this will fold like a taco without breaking. Okay, so that did better. Alright, so there you go. Breakfast taco, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It doesn't matter when you eat it. Just try them. Give them a try. And I've made these a few times and they broke. If they broke, just eat them with a fork. Or make your pancakes first, let them sit. When everything else is done, zap them in the microwave so that you can fold them up. Alright, let's get a taste of this. I'm already inside. I'll just do my taste tests in here. You can see I use Bisquick for my pancakes. I usually add a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of cinnamon, just to darken them up a little bit. Sometimes I use buttermilk. There's our breakfast taco, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, if you want breakfast for dinner. Get it folded up there. Okay, folded like a taco. Don't have a napkin. So anyway, if you like sausage, eggs, bacon, and pancakes, You can make it in a handheld taco any time of the day. Thanks for checking this out, and I hope you have a great day.